Hello, I'm back. Come and join me in making homemade pizza. For the pizza dough, I used Sally's Baking Addiction recipe. You can see it on her website. It's a good recipe that you can try. Just follow her instruction as it's a bit tricky to put it here on my video. After the pizza dough was ready, I just put my leftover pizza sauce and then mozzarella cheese, and I made some crispy potatoes that are spicy and put it on the top, and then the cheese. Also, I had some spinach bought from the market. This is vegetarian because I don't have any meat available in my fridge at the moment. I basically just put any vegetables that we have in the fridge because one of our family just bought heaps from the market today, being Sunday. We had slices of capsicum, green chilies, they're not spicy, tomatoes, onion, and then I saw some jalapeno pickles in the fridge, and then I added some more mozzarella on top of this. And that's it, it's ready. Put it on the oven as per instruction, and this is what it looks like once it was done.